Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use our new reading app, Moxiereader. This view is the view that you would see if you logged into a computer to track the reading. It'll look a little bit different if you use your cell phone, but the functionality, the functions are pretty much the same. So this is the view that you'll see. It's got reading growth, and obviously there's nothing to populate on there right now. So as your child reads, you'll be able to track how many pages they've read and the lexile of the reading that they're doing, and it'll also show the pages right here, minutes read. Lots of great information here, but obviously that'll be later as we start to record their reading. So if you haven't loaded a book for your child yet, you have two different ways to do it. You can choose this function up here, select it to be read. Now, our classroom library, we're in the process of loading all the books in the classroom library onto this app. We're not done yet, but we're working on it, so that may not be the best way to do it. But however, down here is this scan feature. So what you can do is you can click on scan, and then this app or this portion of the app unfortunately doesn't work while I'm using Screencastify. But what you will do is there will be a barcode reader. Oh, I take that back. It does work. Maybe. All right, so you want to scan your UPC code that's on the back, and it'll search, and there's my book, Washington Spies, and that currently is the book that I am reading. This is a nonfiction book, and it looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and add that to my reading log. Now, what you'll see is you'll see the book here and a brief description of it. And then on below, it's got some other books. Now, this book's kind of out of the lexile that's tracked on here, so it's obviously not going to have a whole lot of similar books on it. But for example, if you're reading Dork Diaries or something along those lines, you'll have other recommended books that will appear down here under similar books. So now I'm ready to log my reading. So I go to More Options and Log Book for Me. And I want to currently reading. And then let's say I've read, what page did you get to? That would be the page that you finished. So let's say I got to 67. And then how long did I read? Let's say I read for 30 minutes. And I click done. And voila. Now it has, notice it has, I've done 67 pages and I've read for 30 minutes. So that's it. That's how you pretty much log in your book. And if you scroll down, you can see. All right, so you see that the book has been added down here. And now each evening as they read, if they're reading the same book, you simply click on number of pages and you add some more pages. So let's say I got to page 76 and then I read for 20 more minutes. And now you'll see that it gave you the update up here that you've updated. And then it also shows up here. Well, let's say you finish the book. Read a lot of pages that night. And now it's going to ask finished reading. Bonus points for reading nonfiction. Bonus points for reading a long book. Schwazow. Click OK. And if you notice, I get Moxie points, and it changes my status to 1 book read. So hopefully this helps you out. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.